Hey there, Amar here, and I've got something insanely valuable for you today, especially if you are into affiliate marketing, email marketing, or just want to grow your email list faster and make more sales, because I'm giving you 200 proven high converting email subject lines, battle tested and ready to plug into your email campaigns. And you get full PLR rights, so you can use them, resell them, give them away as bonuses, or even give them away to build your email list. Why should you care? Because subject lines are everything. You can write the best email in the world, but if your subject line sucks, nobody even opens it. This bundle includes 200 proven high CTR subject lines across all styles: curiosity, urgency, value, fear of missing out, and more. Works for affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, list building, whatever. These aren't generic, these are real world winners pulled from high performing campaigns. And the best part, you get the PLR rights, so you can use them in your own emails, sell the pack as your own, bundle them as a bonus, or use them in a lead magnet funnel like I'm about to show you in a few minutes. So if you are ready for more opens, clicks, and sales for every email you send, grab your copy right now. The link is below this video. Now let me quickly show you how you can use the built-in funnel to start building your email list and selling this same offer for 50% commissions. Now, before we go to LeadsLeap and show you how to set up the pages, let me just say that on top of the 200 high converting subject lines, you get also two pages. The first one is a capture page that builds your list. You will have a capture page just like this one. You will use a share code to import it instantly into your LeadsLeap account, and as you can see, it's very well done. People are very interested in having 200 proven subject lines with instant access. They can download it right away, so they will not hesitate to subscribe to get immediate access to these 200 high CTR subject lines. And after that, when they subscribe, you send them to your copy of the thank you page just like this one. You will import it in a second, but you need to do something. You need to connect the downloadable file in this red button here so that your subscribers will get access to the document. You will get it actually in three versions. You will have the text document, the PDF document, and also the Microsoft Word document. So you attach the text document or the PDF document to this button to deliver, and you stick your affiliate link for this same offer in this blue button that says done for you funnel. You will get access, of course, to the affiliate page, which is this one here. You can earn up to $76 plus 50% recurring commission. All you have to do is request your affiliate link right here on a button here, and then you need to stick your affiliate link to this blue button here, so your future subscribers, if they upgrade, you will make commissions. And then after that, you can cross promote anything that you want. You can cross promote it in this section here. So you are thanking your subscribers and you are giving them access to the resource. You are selling this as an affiliate, and also you can cross promote something related in the section at the bottom. So once on LeadsLeap, the first thing you want to do is create a list. You want to create a list just for this offer here, and you name it whatever you want, and then of course we will get back to the list in a second. And after that, you need actually to get the pages. You want to import the capture page just like this one here, and also the thank you page. They are already imported here and they work. Each one of them has a link, and if I want to change or modify modify anything on the page, I need to open it on the launch editor here on the editor of LeadsLeap, and it will open just like this one. This is the capture page on the editor. I can change anything I want, but the only thing I want to do is connect it to the right list. So on the left side here, you click this button where it says list, click this button, connect it to the right list, and then on this spot here, you want to put actually your affiliate link for this offer. You get it from this page, request it, you copy it, and then you go back right here and you paste your affiliate link on this spot and save the changes. The capture page now is ready to collect leads and add them to your list, and right away send them to the offer, and if they purchase, you make 50% commission. Now for the thank you page, when you import the thank you page, you need to provide the resource to your subscribers. You want to connect the text file or the PDF file that you will get, you want to connect them to this red button here, and then you get your affiliate link for this offer and you stick it to the blue button right here. And of course you can cross promote any other offer, related offer on this section at the bottom. If you make changes, you need to save the changes using this button here. So now you are collecting leads using this capture page, which works very well with computer screens, mobile, tablet, it's responsive, and it works very well, and people will not hesitate to subscribe to get this resource. Also, you get this thank you page that gives them the resource and sends them to other offers where you can make affiliate commissions. Thank you very much actually for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.